Introducing Total-Hearth, the leading high-temperature ceramic replacement glass for wood stoves and fireplaces.
Wood stoves and fireplaces require a high-temperature glass, not only for a great view of the fire, but for safety. Our ceramic glass offers the highest quality ceramic glass that is rated at temperatures as high as 1400 degrees Fahrenheit or 760 degrees Celsius. Our ceramic glass was developed specifically to address the larger glass areas that are common in today's contemporary hearth designs. It has the options to fit most every application, anything from wood, gas, coal, or pellet burners. Our ceramic glass handles it all. All of our products come with a smooth seamed edge and has a clear amber finish. The glass comes in the industry standard 3/16 thickness, and 1/8 inch is available for smaller projects. Unlike other ceramic glass parts on the market, it ships with a high temperature gasket tape to assure proper airtight installation.
Total-Hearth, creating the view you want with the glass you need.